This video will show you how to log a sample into the Sample Management Center for the first time. You'll start by going to the Dairyland Labs website, which is dairylandlabs.com, and then you'll scroll down on the page to see the link to the Sample Management Center on the right-hand side. At that point, you will be in your Sample Management Center, assuming you have logged in. If you haven't, you'll be asked to log in similar to how you log into the existing customer portal with your login and password. You'll click on Feed, and you'll click on eSample and Individual Samples. The first option is to type in the account that you want to use. If you have an existing customer portal, these will all be imported for you. Second, you'll want to type in a farm name, and in this case, I'm going to use Dairyland Dairy. If you haven't used that farm before, you'll need to click on the little graph box and add that farm in per each account. We are going to do a legume hay, and this legume hay is an alfalfa. On the alfalfa, we are going to decide to choose an NIR complete. You'll see one of the bonuses to the Sample Management Center is that you can now see when you scroll over different packages that the description of the package, the price, the potential turnaround time in the laboratory, as well as additional test options are included when you hover over each testing type. This is a definite improvement over using our feed cards because on the feed card we are limited on how much we can actually print. You have the option again of adding additional chemistry or wet chemistry if that was something that interested you, or in this alfalfa we're not going to choose any. You have also the addition of any kind of mold or mycotoxin options, and again just scrolling through these you can see all the available packages that would have been also included on the feed card. And again, that hovering option is still there with the price and the turnaround time, etc. You also have the option of choosing to add additional emails. If there are folks that need to receive this, then you would type those emails in here. Another feature of the program is you can go in here and save those, and then they will pop up automatically when you type those in. One of the more important areas of the Sample Management Center is to make sure that you include a description. This will help you determine which samples are which, especially when you are submitting multiple samples or eventually if you are creating lots to see over time. So in this case, I'm going to do first crop alfalfa, and it's in bunker 1. There's a box here as well for any comments, any special instructions you would want to send to the laboratory. Finally, you're going to hit submit, and when you do that, you're going to get this 6-digit eSample number, and this will be the only thing you have to write on the bag when you submit the sample. That is as simple as it gets for submitting a sample to the Sample Management Center. We hope you give it a try and certainly contact us with any questions.